Congratulations on your promotion.
Thank you so much.
Are you surprised right now?
Yes, very surprised.
Did you expect this news?
No, not at all.
How do you feel today?
I feel so happy.
Is this your new office?
Yes, it's mine now.
Isn't this a nice view?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like this room?
Yes, very much.
What is your new title?
I'm the new manager.
Manager? That's wonderful.
Yes, I'm thrilled.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, completely ready.
Do you have new responsibilities?
A little, but excited.
Are you nervous about them?
A little, but excited.
That's completely normal. Don't worry.
Thanks, good to know.
Will you lead a team now?
Yes, a great team.
Do you know your team well?
Yes, we work together often.
That will help you a lot.
Yes, definitely helps.
Did you work hard for this?
Yes, very hard indeed.
Your effort really paid off.
Thank you. Means a lot.
Are your colleagues happy for you?
Yes, everyone is thrilled.
That's wonderful to hear.
Yes, I'm grateful.
Will you celebrate today?
Yes, definitely tonight.
How will you celebrate?
Dinner with my family.
That sounds truly wonderful.
Yes, I can't wait.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, much more confident.
Is this a big change for you?
Yes, quite a big change.
Are you excited for it?
Yes, extremely excited.
Do you need any new documents?
Yes, just a few.
Here is your folder.
Thank you very much.
It has your new contract inside.
Oh, thank you for that.
Shall we sign them now?
Yes, right now, please.
Is everything clear to you?
Yes, all very clear.
Do you know when you start?
Not yet, actually.
You will start next Monday.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Are you ready for Monday?
Yes, fully ready.
Will your team welcome you warmly?
Yes, I'm sure they will.
That's reassuring, isn't it?
Yes, feels really good.
Do you like your new desk?
Yes, it's very nice.
Is the office quiet here?
Yes, quite peaceful.
Do you feel proud today?
Yes, incredibly proud.
You should feel very proud.
Thank you, I really do.
Did your family already know?
Yes, I told them.
Were they happy for you?
Yes, extremely happy.
That's heartwarming to hear.
Yes, it truly is.
Do you feel more motivated now?
Yes, so much more.
That energy will help you succeed.
Yes, I believe so.
Are you thankful for this chance?
Yes, incredibly thankful.
You truly deserve this promotion.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Shall we shake hands again?
Yes, happily again.
I'm proud to congratulate you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Congratulations once more. Truly.
Thank you. Truly grateful.